What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdie Gator. You guys, I am back in Five Below. Where should we go first? Should we go over here? We just have so many new items in here. We have hats, so cute. Look at the hats, you guys. $5 hats. We have new leggings. We have some Halloween shirts. We have brand new scarves. There's gonna be a lot to look at. And I know I'm gonna film multiple videos in here, so you guys definitely get ready for all of the other Five Below videos I'm gonna film too. We have Oh My Gourd. We have extra large. This is how they've styled it with the scarf, the tee, we have the hat, and the leggings. And then over here behind me, we have a lot of fall items, wreaths, pumpkin carving kits, the super jumbo eyeballs. I don't think I've seen any this big anywhere. Like, those are even bigger than the ones in Dollar Tree. We have some art. This is LED art. The ribs are LED, the face. This one's cute. The circle here. This is what they look like. They're battery operated. And then we have some really cute little trees, and they're pretty heavy. They're calling them branch trees. Now, if you want to get one of these for Halloween and repurpose it, I think it would be super cute. If you wanted to spray this white or some other color, I think it would definitely work if you like how it looks. We have cups. Those are $1.50. These are super lightweight. These are $3. Black light bulbs, $2. Orange and green light bulbs for $2. We have strobe lights. We have shoe lights and headlights for trick-or-treating. Bats for $1.50. 30 in a pack. Skulls, 3 in a bag for $2. These little neon lights are so cute. We have the neon pumpkin, and then we have the neon bat. These are so cute. Spider web, glow in the dark spider web for $3. $5 porch boards. You had me at pumpkin spice. These are yard stakes. Open daily, pumpkin patch, hand picked. This is so nice and big. This is $3. And then we have some super cute rugs down here for $5. I love fall most of all. Little boo kits, 1 gift bag, 1 door hanger, 1 sticker sheet, 1 instruction sheet. These are $1.50 each. The stacking pumpkins, 24 inches tall, 3 separate pumpkins, and they stack together. This looks like the TikTok trend where people take the little trick-or-treat jack-o'-lanterns and they spray paint them. This one is already put together for you. It's $5. And then over here we have hats and tees and wigs. These are the cool hats where you pull them down and then you can see through them. Bunny got one of these one year. Star Wars. This one is so cute. We have the metal lanterns. Those are $4. These are the shirts we have available. The Simpsons, Treehouse of Horror, Ghostbusters. We have Jack Skellington. That one is so cute. These are really cute. I love the colors. Aw, so cute. I kind of want to get that one. Jack Skellington. Their shirts are amazing. Let's see, where does this one go? This one is just a neon mask. I'm just gonna put it here for now. But we have some other ones. Skull masks. Vampire blood. $3. Glowing polishes. I love this brand. I'm currently wearing Fresh Paint in silver, but you guys will love this brand of polish. It is really, really good. I love it so much. It looks like my store is out of a couple colors, but let's see what we have back here. Ooh, look, we have a full display. I think I might want to get some of these today. It says $3. I'm not sure if they're $3 though. I have a feeling these are $2. I don't know, they might be $3. But we have a really pretty orange, green, pink, a sort of pinky orange, blue, and purple. I really like the blue, and I really like the orange too. Nice. Let's look at this shirt. Ooh, let's open it up. I love the colors. I love how bright it is. Ghostbusters, look at that. That is so cute. We even have a few more things over here. We have posters. Here are the posters we have. Also Halloween inspired, the little mobile wallets. And then we have buckets down here with the legs. $3. $3 each. Nice and big. Candy buckets with the handles, black handles and purple handles. And then we have hair color, copper, silver, electric blue, neon green, pink, and purple. These are all temporary and they're all $3. We have $1 glow-in-the-dark cream makeup, $2 headbands, silver glitter gel. We have over-the-knee socks, more masks. The masks are $1. Those are $1. $1. These are only 50 cents, you guys. 50 cents. 50 cents. These are just $1. The skull masks. These are back from last year. That's why they're marked down to 50 cents. And the quality feels really nice. The big greeter heads, those are $5. We have some other kits that are back from last year, just $2. We have black wigs, white, icy blue. Ooh, that is so pretty. We have light pink. We have green. These are really, really pretty colors. Just $5 for the wigs. Look at this one. Oh my gosh, you guys, those colors are beautiful. That is a look at some of the Halloween items, you guys. What do you think? What's your favorite item over here? I'm gonna say that I really like the new polishes, of course. I love that they have 50-cent masks. I love the colors and I love the quality. I also am in love with the tees. The t-shirts are really cute and bright. Also, I think the wigs are super pretty and just $5. And what else? I love the neon lights. I have lots and lots of favorites. Guys, that's it for this video. Come back to my very next Five Below video. We're gonna be looking at even more items. We have lots of new items for fall, new clothes. There's tons of new stuff in here. So I'm gonna show you guys everything I can. Anyways, you guys, if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.